turns velvet over town. Shadows slowly settling down. Balcony lights flicker gold, even stories yet untold.
컬러가 노래 좋네. 나쁘지 않아.
Between the building sides, soft reflections in your eyes. City hum becomes a song that we've known all along. Nothing heavy, nothing light, You remember how I take my tea? 2 spoons, no sugar, just me. Little notes you leave behind, tiny treasures I can find. It's not loud, it's not grand, just the way you understand. It's the little things that make my heart sing. The quiet mornings, the silver rain stays so. It's the little things. Rain against the window pane, laughing in the pouring rain, holding on without a word. Every silence being heard is the space between the lines where your hand fits into mine. Little things, everything. That's where all the magic began.
내가 생각한 천 아니지만 이렇게 키친크로스 상콤. 이렇게 휴지 케이스. 이렇게 괜찮네. 썩 작아. 이러면 안 되지. 이건 생각보다 그런 것 같은데. 어때? 이렇게. 약간 이렇게 가방. 주머니가 아니, 천 자체가 이거구나. 이렇게.
왜냐면은 벌써 편해졌다. 서리온이 4번. 이렇게 껴서 이렇게 껴서.
Welcome in. Corner table by the glass. Watch the afternoon pass. Steam rising from your cup. You look up. Every little thing you do feels brand new. Meet me at Cloud9 Cafe, where the worries drift away. Stay a while. Let the music softly play.